Welcome back to my channel. We are living in digital era. We are working from home, we are working from cafe, we are working from anywhere. So now having online conferences, it's so much important for our success in our entrepreneurship life or even our professional life. So you're probably already using Google already, and you already know Google Meet as well too. So today I'm going to show you how you can record your Meet conference call with all the other audience. Even you are using at gmail.com. That means you are not using the premium G Suite version. You are just using something like this. So I'm going to show you how to do this, how you can record this or every conference call with as many members you have in your call. So you want to do that, right? Let's get started. Before I start, I want to tell you this. If you are already using G Suite, you have another option to do this one. So when you're using at gmail.com means you don't have the record options when you're doing the online call. So that's the way I'm going to show you this way to help you out to record. But however, if you're already using G Suite paid version, that's great. Look at the top right corner and click through that button and you can see how to make it happen for you, how to do that as well too. Yeah, but now I'm going to tell you you're using just only Gmail, how to do that. So when you're using Gmail, you cannot record directly. The recording option, you don't have it. So how to do that, right? This is the way. Such an example, I'm in a Gmail account, right? So all I need to do, I'm going to join a meeting first. So what to do is start a meeting. I can jump to my calendar. So calendar is popped up. I can see I have an online call for discussions. I click through, join the Google. I'm going to press the join now. Bam, I'm in the call. But now I can see this one in this version. I have a simple version, which is free version. We have a microphone. I can mute myself. I can in the call and I can turn on the camera by clicking that one. I can actually turn on the caption, which I really enjoy using this option when I am speaking to someone whose English is not their first language. So that really helps them to communicate with them. Now there's another option. We have a present now, where I can present any slide with my audience or in the video call. But now when I go into this one, you can see this one in this option, there is no option for recording. So how I can record this version? So for that, I'm going to show you a plugin to do this one. So plugin name I have already installed. You can see that screen recorder, which is pretty simple. All you need to do is just go to the Google and you say screen recorder, Google Chrome, and you can see the first one will pop in. That's all it. So I have already installed it. If you haven't installed it, so all you need to do is click the button and then you will have it installed. So you'll have it, you will see in the top right corner. If it's not there, it will be there inside of you. All right. So now all you need is I come in here. So now I need to start the recording by using this plugin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this button and you can see it's jumping. I want to record the screen. If you take the system, it's going to be recording the system. So now all you need to do is just press start recording. When you press start recording, you can actually select multiple options. You can see the Chrome tab and I'm going to jump to the Chrome tab. I'm going to meet and I'm going to press shares. So now you can see this one is already started to record. What I'm speaking right now is getting it recorded. So let's say example, I got multiple parties into it. So what I'm speaking, you can see this one, my speaking is already been there as the caption, and whatever audience is speaking to me, I can listen here. So now let's say I have just done with my thing. So all I need to do, you can see this, and there's an option here, sharing the tab, screen recorder. All I need to do is stop it. When I stop this one, it will jump in and then it will ask me to save it. So I save. When I save, then you can see that there's a little file downloaded in my computer. So now all I need to do, I can just shut it off. And now what I need to do is when I go to my download option, I can see there is a WebM file has been downloaded in my computer. So what I want to do is I want to convert it to an MP4, right? So it's more easy for me. So what I need to do, I will show you this tool. It's a cloudconvert.com. You can see that in the description, this link. All you need to do, you come in and you add your file here. So you can say WebMV. I'm gonna search that file, and WebM. So you can see this is the file I've just created right now. So I'm gonna select the file, and you can see coming into it, and now it's actually asking for type. I want to convert to MP4, and I'm gonna press the convert button, and you can see it's converting. It's pretty fast actually. Maximum it may take 10 to 15 seconds to get your file converted. All right, so it's already conversion done, and the preview is already open as well too. So all I need to do, actually, I can actually just see the preview, what I wanted to see it here, and then I can actually simply download it. So when I'm downloading this one already, I can come back and you can see MP4, and now I can play in my media player and enjoy my show. So what I am speaking here during the call, it's already coming to in notation over there, announcement. And whatever my participants are speaking is already going to be recorded. Just to tell you one more time, when you're recording, this is very important. When you are turning on the camera option, you put down screen and put down your system. When you put the system means it's actually picking up all the speaker, whatever speaking into it, is gonna record. And all you need to do is to hit the start recording. All right, I would like to say all the best to you guys. From moving forward, you can actually record your online conference call by Google Meet as well too. You don't have to switch to another Zoom or other thing just because you cannot record this one. So now even with your free version, you can record too. If you need any other help, feel free to comment below. I'm happy to give you advice. And if you have any questions, put a comment into it. I would love to answer you. I'd love to interact with you. All the best.
Thank you.